Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to show the FPS in any game. To start, go to the link we leave you in the video description. Here, download the app. Now access the Downloads folder. After that, extract the contents of the file. After this, run the app installer. Then select the installation language. After that, accept the license of use. Next, select the components to install. Next, define the installation directory. Now you can decide whether to add a shortcut. After that, click Install. You will see that the installation process starts. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. When it is finishing, you will see a new wizard here. Select the language. After that, accept the license. Next, define the installation directory. Assign a shortcut if you need it. Then click Install. Wait for this installation process to complete. Now you will see that another window opens. Here, wait for the necessary components to be downloaded. After this, we expect these components to be installed. After this, the installation process of the application on the system will be completed. When the utility opens, you must click on the gear to access the necessary settings to see the FPS. To start, we go to the tab, User Interface. Here it will be possible to configure basic aspects of the app. After this, we go to the On-Screen Display tab. After that, we can press the desired keys to execute the action we need on the screen. Remember, when the keys are pressed, they will automatically be recognized. Then we go to the Monitoring tab. Here we select the frame rate line. After that, click on the verification sign to activate it. Then to change the name, we activate the Override Group Name box. After that, we enter the name. Finally, click on Apply and OK. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.